Bienvenido a Españamo.
Españamo. Español, en 10 minutos al día.
Learn and practice. To come back, to return. In Spanish in past tense in 10 minutes.
Aprende y practica volver en español en tiempo pasado en 10 minutos.
The preterite past tense. The preterite past tense is used to talk about actions completed in the past or at a specific point in time in the past. To come back, to return.
Volver.
I came back.
Yo volví.
I came back home from work.
Yo volví a casa desde el trabajo.
You came back.
Tú volviste.
You came back from the farm.
Tú volviste de la granja.
You came back. Formal.
Usted volvió.
You came back to the office.
Usted volvió a la oficina.
She came back.
Ella volvió.
He came back from a trip.
Él volvió de un viaje.
She came back to the village.
Ella volvió al pueblo.
We came back.
Nosotras volvimos.
We came back from the city center. Masculine.
Nosotros volvimos del centro de la ciudad.
We came back to visit our family. Feminine.
Nosotras volvimos para visitar a nuestra familia.
You came back.
Vosotras volvisteis.
You came back from the concert. Masculine.
Vosotros volvisteis del concierto.
You came back from the zoo. Feminine.
Vosotras volvisteis del zoológico.
You came back. Formal.
Ustedes volvieron.
You came back to the hotel.
Ustedes volvieron al hotel.
They came back.
Ellas volvieron.
They came back from the repair shop. Masculine.
Ellos volvieron del taller de reparaciones.
They came back from the countryside. Feminine.
Ellas volvieron del campo.
Practice more.
Practica más.
Personal pronouns are usually not spoken in Spanish. Did you come back? Formal, singular.
¿Usted volvió?
We came back to our routine.
Volvimos a nuestra rutina.
I came back to pick up my keys.
Volví a recoger mis llaves.
She came back to apologize.
Volvió para disculparse.
They came back to the starting point.
Volvieron al punto de partida.
She came back with a smile.
Volvió con una sonrisa.
He came back to finish the project.
Volvió para terminar el proyecto.
We came back with souvenirs.
Volvimos con recuerdos.
You came back for your belongings. Informal, plural.
Volvisteis por tus pertenencias.
Did you come back for your wallet? Informal, singular.
¿Volviste por tu cartera?
They came back from the mountains.
Volvieron de las montañas.
Did you come back with good news? Informal, plural.
¿Volvisteis con buenas noticias?
Test.
Prueba.
Did you come back? Formal, singular.
¿Usted volvió?
They came back from the mountains.
Volvieron de las montañas.
I came back to pick up my keys.
Volví a recoger mis llaves.
We came back to our routine.
Volvimos a nuestra rutina.
Did you come back with good news? Informal, plural.
¿Volvisteis con buenas noticias?
She came back with a smile.
Volvió con una sonrisa.
You came back from the farm. Singular, informal.
Volviste de la granja.
You came back to the office. Singular, formal.
Volvió a la oficina.
She came back to apologize.
Volvió para disculparse.
They came back to the starting point.
Volvieron al punto de partida.
Did you come back for your wallet? Informal, singular.
¿Volviste por tu cartera?
They came back from the countryside. Feminine.
Volvieron del campo.
He came back to finish the project.
Volvió para terminar el proyecto.
She came back to the village.
Volvió al pueblo.
Thank you for learning. Please like and subscribe if this video helped you in your Spanish learning journey. See you at the next lesson.